Yo, what's up guys? I'm just going to show you a little quick one today. So basically, like, people are making their models in Blender and they're putting them in game, and instead of looking like this, they're looking a little something more like this, and there are bits that are transparent and it's not working. So I'm just going to show you how to fix this real quickly. Obviously I've just made this extra one just to show you an example of what it was looking like in game. So if you are having issues where there's parts missing in game, it's because your normals aren't flipped right. So all you need to do basically is select your object and come up to here and go on to face orientation. Now you want everything to be blue. If it's red, then that is not going to show in game. So red's for the inside, blue's for the outside. So for example, this is not going to show, this is not going to show, but the edge is, as we was looking at before. So all you're going to do basically is you're going to go into edit mode. You're going to select the faces that need flipping. I'm going to one, and then you're going to go to mesh and normals and flip, and that will fix it guys. That is it. Boom.